wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is RIBHI at IVORY. My name is 135874022, majoring in electrical engineering A 2013, Surabaya State University. In here I will present series counter up with 7 segments. Before we analyze the first series, I will explain about the basic theory of the circuit 7 segment. 7 segment is a segment that is used to display number. Here I use 7 segment type counter number up to V, so is the number 00 to number 99. 7 segment is composed of 7 LED root are arranged to form a figure where each row LED labeled A until G and 1 dot point. 7 segments have the type, namely the common anode and cathode. And for the circuit, I use common anode. In the series, there are 5 pieces IC, namely the 2 pieces of is IC 7447, IC 7493, and 2 of the pieces of IC 7408. IC 7447 is a BCD the 7 segment decoder useful for powering 7 common anode mode. IC 7493 is an IC counter the counter up circuit. The IC is in charge of counting how many switch button is pressed and forward to IC 7447. And IC 7408 is an AND gate, which when the second input value is 1, then the output is 1. But if either output input is 0, then the output is 0. To counter up circuit, the IC in charge limit so that only 7 segments display capable of displaying up to 9 digits for each 7 segment. Next, we will analyze the circuit. Here is a picture of a series of counter up with 7 segments. IC circuit use this format include 2 IC 7493, the free IC 7408. Because in 7408 can be IC circuit use this remnant include 2 IC 7493. The free IC 7408 because in 7408 can be used for 2 gates end-to-end logic. IC 7447 serve as IC 7493 IC counter or counter IC first used to calculate the unit. The unit and the second calculate is dose. If the switch pressed on, it will increase the number. So IC it will calculate how many times you press the switch. The second is IC 7408 in the series serve as a barrier, or where the result will appear that the maximum number is 9. The unit is 9 until 9, and if the output of the counter is 10, 1 and 0, then it will go in and researching the second counter IC will add 1 and so on. Next is a 7447 is IC. IC is a BCD2. IC is a BCD2 7 segment decoder which serves the tune on 7 segments. Thus the output of the IC 7493 will be forward to the IC 7447, which is then used to power the trunk of a 7 segment LED, and will produce number. After that, we will practice with the original series as follows. After that, in this series, In this series there are two 7 segments. There are two 7 segments, two IC7 for 47, IC7 for 93 two piece, and one IC7 for 08 14 size 330 ohm resistor and one switch. We can prove this when I press the switch. When time the figure will turn into 0. When I press it, test will turn into 0, 2, and so on. The figure 0 is non-zero, then it will go and forward to the tens of IC7493. And AC will be beyond research by 7408, which will result in a 7 segment number R10 as will show until the number 99. Until the number 99, current 99 figure it will become back again to 00. Start again from scratch. A few of my more or less presentation I apologize and hopeful useful to use all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.